Money used to mean cash in your wallet, physical bills you could touch and count, or coins in a jar backed by banks and governments, representing value you could see and store at home. But sending money across borders is often slow, expensive, and complicated. Your finances are tied to your country's economy, and traditional systems can leave you waiting days for a simple transfer. Imagine if money was purely digital, existing only online, accessible from anywhere, and not controlled by any single authority or government. With digital money, you can send value instantly to anyone in the world, just like sending an email or a text message, no matter where you are. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, transforming how we exchange value, shop, and even save for the future. For billions of people without access to traditional banks, digital money is a game changer. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to participate in the global economy. You become your own bank, able to save, send, and receive money globally without waiting in line or filling out paperwork. Digital finance isn't just about replacing cash. It's about building a more inclusive, efficient, and accessible financial system for everyone, everywhere. It gives you more control over your money, enabling peer-to-peer transactions without banks or intermediaries taking a cut. Understanding this shift is now essential financial literacy. Learning how digital money works can empower you to make smarter choices. The world of money is changing faster than ever before. Staying informed is the key to thriving in this new era. Let's get specific. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are digital tokens secured by cryptography, not controlled by any bank or government. Most run on blockchains, public ledgers spread across thousands of computers. Instead of a bank verifying your transaction, the network does it, making the system transparent and censorship-resistant. No one can freeze your account if the network approves your transaction. Cryptocurrencies are often mined. Computers solve puzzles, validate transactions, and earn new coins. Many, like Bitcoin, have a fixed supply, making them more like digital gold. Their value can swing wildly, offering big rewards, but also big risks. Unlike your stable bank balance, crypto prices can change in minutes. Understanding this volatility is key to navigating the crypto world. Crypto prices can be a roller coaster, great for traders, tough for everyday use. Enter stablecoins, digital currencies designed to keep a steady value, usually pegged to the US dollar. For every stablecoin, there's supposed to be a real dollar in reserve. This one-to-one backing keeps their price stable, making them practical for payments and savings. Stablecoins bridge traditional finance and crypto, offering fast global transactions without wild price swings. They're essential for traders and anyone wanting to avoid volatility. You can hold, spend, or save stablecoins, knowing their value won't change overnight. This stability is crucial for building real-world financial tools on the blockchain. Stablecoins are paving the way for digital currencies to become part of everyday life. Let's talk about the Pi stablecoin and its rumored price, $314,159. The Pi network lets users mine Pi coins on their phones, aiming for a widely used digital currency. The community created the idea of a global consensus value, GCV, a price everyone agrees on, not set by markets. The $314,159 figure is symbolic, based on the number Pi, and driven by community belief. But as of March 2026, Pi coins can't be traded on exchanges. This value is an aspiration, not a market price. The Pi stablecoin isn't backed by dollars or assets, just collective agreement. It's a unique, speculative experiment in social value. Whether this belief can become real market value is still an open question. The Pi GCV flips traditional value creation on its head. Unlike most currencies, where value emerges from market forces and utility, here, the community boldly sets the price first, hoping the broader market will eventually follow their lead and validate that value. Millions of people worldwide have invested not just time, but also their trust and belief in the Pi project, making the $314,159 price tag more than just a number. It's become a symbol of hope, ambition, and the promise of future reward. This shared belief acts like glue, creating a powerful network effect that draws in even more believers and strengthens the community. But for this ambitious price to truly stick and become reality, a real functioning economy must be willing to accept Pi at that value, otherwise it remains just a theoretical figure. Would anyone actually sell a car, a house, or even daily essentials for 1 Pi? Without a robust and active marketplace, the GCV is just a number on a screen, an idea, not a reality. The leap from collective belief to real-world utility is the biggest challenge facing Pi and its supporters. The Pi stablecoin demonstrates how community, narrative, and shared vision can shape the world of crypto. But it also highlights the risks and volatility of value based solely on collective belief without underlying utility. Can collective agreement and social consensus truly create lasting, sustainable value in the long run? The Pi experiment is unfolding now, and only time will tell if this bold idea can stand the test of reality. Financial freedom means control over your money, and stablecoins can help. They protect your savings from inflation, unlike bank accounts with near zero interest. In decentralized finance, DeFi, you can lend stablecoins and earn higher yields than banks offer. Stablecoins let you move money globally, invest across borders, and access opportunities once reserved for the wealthy. They add stability to your crypto portfolio. Sell volatile assets into stablecoins to lock in gains without leaving crypto. Use stablecoins as your financial base, earning interest or waiting for new opportunities. This flexibility and global access can accelerate your path to financial independence. Stablecoins democratize finance, letting anyone build wealth from anywhere. Smart use of stablecoins is a key strategy for modern investors. Let's see stablecoins in action, and how they're already transforming everyday lives around the world. Meet Sarah, a freelancer who now gets paid in USDC. Instead of waiting days for international transfers or losing money to high fees, her payments arrive in minutes, almost instantly, and with barely any cost. She can use her earnings right away, no matter where her clients are based, making her work truly global and hassle-free. Then there's David, who lives in a country struggling with high inflation. By saving in stablecoins, he shields his family's future from the constant erosion of local currency value. His savings hold steady, giving him peace of mind and a sense of security that was hard to find before. Whenever David needs cash for daily expenses, he can easily convert small amounts of his stablecoins back to local currency. The rest stays safe, protected from inflation, and ready for when he needs it most. Maria dreams of buying her own home. By using DeFi platforms, her stablecoins earn much higher interest than any traditional bank account could offer. She's not just saving, she's growing her money faster, and her dream feels more achievable every day. Maria tracks her growing savings in real time, watching her progress and feeling empowered as she gets closer to her goal, step by step. Tom, a small business owner, now accepts stablecoins for global sales. His transaction fees have dropped, his profits have risen, and payments are instant. No more waiting for slow bank transfers or worrying about currency conversions. These stories show how stablecoins empower people everywhere to save, invest, and grow their businesses, no matter their background or location. Stablecoins offer real solutions for real financial challenges, helping people manage their money, plan for the future, and weather economic storms. With stablecoins, anyone can access global finance, send money across borders, and take control of their financial future, no matter where they live. The impact is already real and growing every day as more people discover the freedom and possibilities stablecoins can bring. Stablecoins and projects like Pi offer big opportunities, but also real risks. With fiat-backed stablecoins, you trust the issuer has real dollars in reserve. If not, the coin could lose its value. Pi stablecoin's value is purely social. If belief fades, so does the price. If Pi ever trades on exchanges at a much lower price, early believers could lose out. Regulatory risk is real. Governments can change the rules overnight, affecting how stablecoins work. Technical risks matter too. You're your own bank, so losing your wallet keys means losing your money forever. Scams, hacks, and phishing attacks are common. One mistake can drain your funds. Security is your responsibility in crypto. Always be cautious and protect your assets. Know the risks before you dive in. Digital money is powerful, but you must stay smart and safe. Always do your own research. Don't trust hype or social media. Read white papers, check the team, and seek out critical opinions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Start small, learn as you go, and be ready for ups and downs. Prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and consider hardware wallets for large amounts. Never share your private keys or seed phrase. No legitimate project will ask. Stay informed. Crypto evolves fast, and rules can change. Follow reputable news, listen to experts, and keep learning. Don't obsess over prices. Focus on long-term goals. With caution and knowledge, you can safely explore the opportunities of digital currencies.